Hey everybody, it's Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. This is part 2. This is my Marshalls haul. My Ulta Marshalls haul from part 1 was running a little bit long, so I try to keep my videos around 10 minutes. I was already at 15 and hadn't even got to my Marshalls stuff. So I'm going to start off with my Becca products that I always look for Becca stuff. And there wasn't that much at TJ Maxx, but there was a ton of Becca over at Marshalls, and I really had kind of quit going to Marshalls, but I'm so glad I stopped in. I found some great things, so let's get right to it. The first thing I found was the Becca Chrissy Tiegen palette. That was over at Marshalls for $19.99. And I guess maybe this palette didn't sell very well, and it's probably for darker skin tones than mine, but I thought even if it was too dark, I could use it as eyeshadow, and I like Becca everything. If you watch my channel, you know that. So I'm starting off with all the Becca stuff for all you fellow Becca fans. Really pretty palette, and it's in the rose gold like the Afterglow palette. And here's all your colors, and that is so pretty. You have a blush, a couple highlighters, and a bronzer, and I thought this would be great for, I especially really like this peach blush here. What it has is, let's see, here's the back of it. The rose gold highlighter, the beach nectar, that's the peach one I like, the Malibu Soleil bronzer, and hibiscus bloom blush. So that's just a nice little, got it upside down, that's just a nice little all-in-one. And what I had done was I had went back to try to get another of the Afterglow palettes, because they did have two over at TJ Maxx. When I went back, they were sold out, and for the same price, $19.99, I've got the Becca one, which has it has one less product, but it does have larger pans. So anyways, kind of comparable there. So I was happy to get one of each. That worked out great. Next, I got, they had a couple, they only had one box. They must have known I was coming. They saved one for me, because they just had one of these, and they just had one of these. The first one is the Becca Glow Essentials kit, and I was very happy to get this for $12.99. And it contains a First Light priming filter, the Backlight priming filter, a glow gloss and champagne cream, and then it has the Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. So I had to open it up and make sure it was all in there, because you know how it is over at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Everything's been gone through. Excuse me. So here's my First Light priming filter. That's a nice size. The little gloss is little. That's a little sample, but that's pretty. So happy to try it. Of course, your travel flying saucer there. I've got a pretty good collection of those going on. And this one in Moonstone. I might not have Moonstone. I've got Opal, and you know, everybody's got 10 of those. And then the Backlight priming filter. So that's a good size. So for $12.99, that was a good deal, because I think it costs more than that just for one of those little travel size. Happy to get that. Then next, this is very similar, except for it has the under eye concealer. And I just bought the under eye concealer. I think I paid $38 for it, full size, when, well, I didn't know they were going to have this set. So again, the Backlight and the First Light priming filters are in this, and then a little baby travel of the eye corrector, and very happy to have that. And again, that was $12.99 as well. So great deal on two Becca sets. The Under Eye Brightening Corrector, Sleep in a Jar, Full Coverage Cream Corrector, brightens, eradicates under eye darkness, ultrafine light reflected illuminators, gives you a well-rested look. I'm still trying that out. Like I said, I just bought the full size. I've only used it once or twice. And it does definitely brighten. I'm just not sure if I'm highlighting my dark circles or covering them. So I'm not really sure how I like that, but still testing that out. Next I got another Glow Gloss backup. I already have this color. This is the Tiger Lily, $6.99. Oh, excuse me, Snapdragon. So this is Snapdragon. It's a real pretty mauvey rose pink with some shimmer in it. Just a really pretty color. And these are some Becca glosses and blushes I love. So I keep buying these over and over for backups because I feel like they're being discontinued. Anyway, so there's that. And on into the mineral blush. This was in Nightingale. And this was on the clearance for $4. And again, happy to get it at such a great price because you know, scared it's going to be discontinued. This is a really rosy blush. Looked like someone stuck their finger in it or something. But that is a deep, you know, it's really for deep complexions. But if you go easy on it, it can be for anybody. And I just love that. It is just a real rosy blush. Very pretty. And that is in Nightingale. Next on the clearance, I got Snapdragon for $6, and this is a gorgeous color, so I was happy to get another backup of this. I already have this color as well, but Snapdragon is just a gorgeous, luminous, orangey red. I mean, just so pretty. And that is one of their luminous blushes, so I'm good. My Becca collection is very well stocked. And I'm happy about it because anytime I can get a Becca product on the clearance rack, I'm down with it. And so here's another one. This is a mineral blush in Songbird. And this one was $6.99. And here's the color for that. Again, in the brown. It's real pretty. It's like an apricot peach, right up my alley. I just love that. And again, it's a backup. I already have these blushes. But if they're clearancing them out, I'm definitely going to get some backups. And of course, they're in the brown rubberized flying saucer. On my nails, if you're wondering what I've got there on my nails, I've been testing out the, and this isn't from Marshall's, this is from Walmart, $1.98. This is the LA Colors Color Last 10-Day Polish. I put a base coat and a top coat. We are on day 7 on this polish, day 8. And it is lasting very well. I have had to touch up my tips 3 or 4 times, but the touch-ups really stick. So I'm really happy with this polish. It's still glossy, it's still shiny. I actually started out last Wednesday. This is Thursday, a week later, so I'm actually on day number 8 with this polish. So still looking good, except for with touch-ups on the tips. And I have had to, but my nails are split on the end, so I mean, and that's not the polish's fault. Nails looking good, and I'm on day 8. So highly recommend this $1.98 polish from LA Colors over at Walmart. And my color here is Family Ties. If you're interested, they've got some great neons, yellow. I have a video on it. Check out my other video on this polish. It's amazing. Okay, next I got a Stila Shimmering Glow eyeshadow. This was $8.99, and this color is Pigalle, I guess. This is a real pretty, I always wanted this color, but I didn't pick it up because I've got all these shimmer and glows, and everybody says how they dry out, so I basically quit buying them. Mine haven't dried out yet because I don't use them very much. But anyways, this is a real pretty brownish maroon red color, and happy to get that Stila Glitter and Glow. I think they make the best glitter and glows out there. I mean, crystal shadows. Okay, next I got a, this is on the clearance rack for $2. This is the Crystal Invisible Solid Deodorant. It's a chamomile and green tea, 24-hour. The brand is, well, I guess, no aluminum, absorbs wetness. It's a 24-hour, it was missing the cap. And I've already purchased this and used it. I really like it. I think it smells good, and even though it doesn't have the cap, when I use up my other one, I'll put the cap on it. I'll just tape this down, and it's gentle, non-sticky, non-staining, no white marks. Chamomile and green tea deodorant provides odor protection for up to 24 hours. Essential oils, no harmful chemicals, powerful but gentle. I really like this. So if you're looking for a natural deodorant, run over to, these are both at TJ Maxx and Marshall's. I mean, all this stuff is, you just never know what you're going to find. But both stores carry basically the same thing, but just different ones. And last but not least, Alba Botanica Hawaiian Organic Lip Balms. This was a set of 3 for $4.99. Again, Alba Botanica is a brand that I like, natural products. This is fun for summer. It has coconut cream, pineapple quench, and mojito mint. So no parabens, phthalates, or synthetic fragrances, 100% vegetarian ingredients, and that is 3 nice organic lip balms in a summer theme over at they had these at both places as well. So anyways, Alba Botanica, to wrap it up, and again, my name's Jackie. I'm 55. I'm into beauty. I'm into natural stuff. I'm into everything. Tune into my channel. Leave a thumbs up, like, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you bought, and have a great week. I put up videos every Sunday. If I have time during the week, I'll do an extra one on Thursday, and I've got a lot of things in mind. So, all right, just we'll go for a good ride here. All right, thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye.